Welcome to my channel. In this episode, we will go to Calatagan, Batangas in search of Little Boracay. Guys, panoodin niya.
Wait a minute.
Ayaw po gusto niyo po kayo na po magsabi. Total kayo po naman ang taga rito. Banggitin niyo na po yung lugar. At saka ano po bang pangalan ng resort ulit?
Nakabakanlura.
Dito kami ngayon sa Calatagan,
Little Boracay.
Little Boracay. Teka, puntahan ko lang po yung mga dapat nasa camera. Asan na yung ano natin, yung vlogger ng ano pamilya? Ito! Una mo kami lahat eh. Kuya na. Aching! Bless you. So tandaan nyo, bawal umihi daw kahit saan. Pag andito kayo, kailangan dito lang. Tama ba ate? Magkano po ang multa pag umihi? Pag sa dagat po, wala lang nakakakita sa akin doon. Pwede na po sa dagat, no? Naintindihan. Pwede na rin sa dagat umihi.
Hi guys, so ito na kami. Little Boracay daw. Hulog lang kasi ako sa bayahe. Ano masasabi mo? Ano?
Mama.
Brianna! Say hi! Ano, bakit ayaw mo?
Guys, look at the camera. Simple eyes. Pogi-pogi daw. Pogi-pogi. Come video. Mag-video siya. Wait, I've got the GoPro.
Yeah. Hello, Prince. What are we doing here?
Swimming.
Yeah.
We're gonna swim and we're gonna eat there. Sa floating cottage, middle of the sea. Yeah, can you montage this boy?
Ah!
Pogi kasi. Show
Bro.
show it. Like this? Like that? A robot move. How about a wiggle point? No? Okay. So, pag na-edit na yan, maganda na yan. Mukha lang siyang ano ngayon. Raw.
I buy that. This one.
Pogi naman
Wow, sa'yo kay Ethan. More. Sa'yo yan, kay Ethan. Ay, kay Ethan.
Oh, did
Diba?
you know, Prince, that was
Pati to?
mine?
Pati this one?
Oh.
Wow.
Wait lang, wait lang.
Sino naman to? Elsa. So, mag-be your cameraman. And I am his cousin. 13-year-old male, takes care of Prince when needed. And I'll be your videographer, cameraman for the day.
Ano pa din yung... Pwede mo din yung i-turn. Or you can pass it to me.
What are you eating?
Oh, are you ready? Everyone is ready? Hi, baby Lucas.
Prince, let's build now.
Wow.
How to build this one?
I don't know. Go. Come on.
No, not now. Later, you have to wait for others.
Later in 5 to 10 minutes, okay?
You have to be patient, man.
You can wait in the car.
Look at everyone. Everyone is waiting.
May langgam dyan, malanggam.
Let's go there with Dada. Don't run, Prince. Careful.
What? Yeah, I want this one. Look. I want this.
It's the aqua shoes.
Aqua shoes. Yeah, it's better for swimming. So when I swim, I don't need the slippers. It's gonna stay with me all the time, like a sock.
But for me, I'm only wearing slippers.
Why?
For me.
Yeah, you don't have aqua shoes.
I don't have.
It's okay.
Are you and this one in your plastic?
Yeah, this is
Yeah.
the so that the phone won't be wet.
It can be broken.
Yeah, it can be broken if it's, you know. Yeah. No.
Sarap ng hangin.
Yan, sarap ng hangin.
What are those?
Prince, do your dance. Wiggle, wiggle, wiggle. Pag-dance si Dada.
Okay, let's go.
Yeah, also
Go, you have- boat. What a life.
Mahangin guys, mahangin. You like it? Loving it? I'll travel the world. Relax si daddy. Relax si dada.
The captain of the boat. Yeah, you address him as a captain. Ah, you're not a captain. Okay. Who's the captain then? Are you a pirate? No? What are you? Someone. Okay. He's a passenger. He's a passenger.
Pogi.
Are you having fun at the sea? Yeah, I can see that.
You told me I have to go.
No.
Why? Since I need to help.
Oh, Prince, careful ah.
Ganda na. Kailangan niya hati. Papasabot mo yung
Hi guys, nag-GNTC po.
Kaya pabilisan ko yan, Gina.
Ha?
Hindi nakataog na.
Ayos ka?
Kaya ba?
Kaso lang baka mapitawang mag GoPro.
Ah, wag yan, mawawala yan.
Yun lang inano ka kasi maalon dyan eh.
Oo ka.
Di bala ako mahulog, wag lang ang GoPro. Ako kaya ko lumangoy, ang GoPro hindi.
Mawawali ko konti yan.
Okay. Nakanta ako sa mangyayari ito. Dito tayo. Dito tayo banta. Dito tayo banta. Mababaw dyan, mababaw. Malalaking bato dyan. Yan. Yan mo lang. Pwede na lang bumili ng jet sir.
Pwede na, no? Oo. Wala pa akong bahay sa dagat. Kailangan ko muna ng bahay dito sa dagat.
Dito, bibili lang kayo ng malit na lupa dito.
Magkano ba ba square meter dito?
Ay, mura lang po dito.
Okay, next.
Okay. Dito ka lang. Prince, come here. No, no, no there. No.
Wanna try? You wanna try?
No, you can't be me.
You go.
No, I didn't.
Now you go first and then I will follow you.
No,
Oh, Daddy must ask. Can you go there?
no.
It's okay. Don't be afraid. Go.
Saan ba ka?
Okay. Sino mo siya na?
Hindi, yung jet ski. Pupunta na yun, oh.
Follow me now, Daddy.
Okay.
Ivan, kinayo mo ngayon.
Nakatali yan.
You sound tired, baby. Come on.
Yeah, I'm tired.
Oh, you jump. You jump again.
Wala.
Jump.
Do not go there, ah.
Okay na, dyan lang ha.
Prince, oh, look at the look. Oh, wow, it's back. Wala.